Get inspired with these beautiful crumbs stamping image, curly vines using SHOP semi-gel stamping polish. First, I am applying a matte crumb resist non-stick gel over 3 swastika and clear under LED UV gel light for 60 seconds to turn any gel color base into a non-stick crumb resist background. Next, I am applying a crumb black stamping polish over a curly vine stamping image. Scrape and pick it up with a jelly stamper. A tip is to leave the stamping image on the jelly stamper a little longer than 15 seconds. That way it's going to hold the shape, and when stamped after that, it's going to have a clean transfer. Stamp the image, clear under LED UV gel light for 60 seconds to harden the image. It's going to leave a smooth surface with a light sticky that later on, if applied crumb pigment over top, it's going to result in a shiny crumb effect. For swatch stick number 2, I am applying the color opaque white crumb semi-gel stamping polish. Scrape, pick it up with a jelly stamper and do not rush to stamp right away. Leave on the jelly stamper for at least 15 seconds and then stamp over the nail and clear under LED UV gel light for 60 seconds. For swatch stick number 3, I'm stamping clear crumb semi-gel stamping polish and then clear under LED UV gel light for 60 seconds. Artists can stop here and apply top coat to have a solid color or continue on rub crumb pigment over top. If rub metallic opaque crumb pigment color over top, it will cover up the underneath base color, black, white, or clear. Since we show in color swatching for the color black, white, and clear, I'm applying a clear crumb Chameleon pigment over top. Rub it over the 3 swatch sticks. You're going to see the different effect. The clear color shift Chameleon intensify the crumb shifting colors if it's applied over top dark or black stamping image. If it's applied over other color besides black or lighter color like white or clear or any other color, it will interact differently. Because these crumb pigments are not opaque, it will not cover up the underneath colors. It will turn the underneath colors into a crumb shine effect. So after rub the crumb pigment to a shiny crumb foil-like shines effect, rub away any loose dust and protect this crumb image with a final gloss top coat, or you can apply again matte non-stick top coat if you like the matte look. Artists now can turn any stamping image into beautiful crumb shines quickly and easily when using SHOP crumb semi-gel stamping polish as base and then rub crumb pigment over top as long as the background is crumb resist non-stick. So the image attract the crumb pigment and allow artists to easily brush away any loose crumb dust, and you can have yourself beautiful crumb shine stamping image. Get inspired, be creative. Hope the tip and trick shared in this demo give you idea inspirations to show you how to best use SHOP Modern's crumb semi-gel stamping polish.